In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to make money playing games online. So I'm going to show you how to play this game so that you will see how easy this game is, right? So this is the game right here. I am going to enter how much I want to stake on this game. So I'm going to select how much I want to stake right here. I'm going to enter 1,000 naira. I want to stake 1,000 naira. I want to play this game with 1,000 naira. If I enter 1,000 naira here, then I'm going to click bet here. So for you to win this game, you are going to withdraw your money before this plane crashes. You are going to see it here before it crashes, and you are going to see the money reading here. So you are going to withdraw the money here before the plane crashes, right? So let me show you exactly how to play this game. It is very simple as ABCD. So I have entered 1,000 naira, which is the money I want to use to play this game right now. So I'm going to click bet. So you are going to see how this game looks like. So I have clicked bet, as you can see, waiting for the next round. So I am waiting for the next round. Once this game starts, you will see the money reading right here. Just watch how this game is. All you need to do is to click withdraw as fast as possible so that you can withdraw this money, right? So let's see. As you can see, you win. I've cashed out this money. So I'm going to play another one right again. Please do not be greedy. Make sure you click the withdraw button as fast as possible, right? So that you will be able to win this game. So I'm going to play another one right now so that you see how I am doing it. As you can see, I have won again. So this is very simple to play, right? This game is very simple to play. So now that you have seen how to play this game, and now that you have seen how simple this game is, let me show you how to register on this website and start playing this game from today. So all you need to do is to go down to the video description. If you are from Nigeria, you are going to see the link to register as a Nigerian. If you are not a Nigerian, you are also going to see the link to register if you are not a Nigerian, right? So once you click the link according to your country, it is going to bring you to this page. Once you come to this page, you click registration. Click registration. Once you click registration, it is going to take you to the sign up page. I forgot to mention this. Once you register on this website, you are going to get up to 500% welcome bonus on your first deposit, right? So if you want a higher welcome bonus, I highly recommend you deposit at least 2,000 naira and above. This is going to give you a lot of money to play more games. So enter your phone number right here. Enter your phone number. A verification code is going to be sent to this number. So make sure you enter your number correctly. Then you enter your password, right? Once you enter your password, then this is very important for you to receive your 500% welcome bonus. Click on add promo code right here. Click on add promo code. Once you click on add promo code, enter bet assured. Bet assured, right? Bet assured. So it is also displaying on the screen right now. So once you have added it, then you click register, right? You click register and your account will be created. So once your account has been created, sign in to your account. Once you log into your account, you can deposit money instantly and start playing your games, right? So let me show you how to deposit immediately. So once you log into your account, you are going to see this deposit button right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to take you to the deposit page. So as you can see, there are different methods you can use to deposit. So select anyone that will be easier for you. As you can see, there is OPay here, there is Visa card, there is PalmPay, right? There is Pay with Paystack, Nigerian cards. So you can select OPay or PalmPay. This is going to be very easy to deposit. This OPay and PalmPay, it is very popular. So let me show you. If you are using OPay, click on OPay, enter the amount you want to deposit. Like I said earlier, you can deposit at least 2,000 naira. so that you will be able to get higher welcome bonus to start playing your games on this website, right? Remember, you can also deposit below 2,000 naira, but I highly recommend you deposit at least 2,000 naira so that you have enough money to start playing your games on this website. So once you enter the amount you want to deposit, then you click deposit button and finalize your deposit. Once you click it, once you finalize your deposit, your money is going to reflect in your account instantly, right? Now, once your money reflects in your account, let me show you that game. You come here under iWin games. This is the game right here, which I showed you in the beginning of this video. This particular one, which says crash. So click on it. Allow it to open. As you can see, then you enter the amount you want to play this game with, right? You can enter 500 naira. Enter the amount you want to play, and you click bet. I have showed you exactly how to play this game in the beginning of this video. So follow the exact process and start playing your games on this website. Remember, make sure you click the withdraw button as fast as possible so that you will be able to win this game. I hope this is very, very clear. This is one of the easiest games you can play on this website and earn money on daily basis. So I will also show you other simple games you can be playing on this website and keep making money from this platform. Alright, so go now, sign up, deposit, and start playing your games on this website. See you in the inside.